Today, we are making one of Georgia's most iconic dishes.
We start with a simple dough: flour, yeast, salt, warm water, and a touch of oil. Mixed gently
on small to this. The dough is kneaded until smooth, then left to rest. This step gives khachapuri artists. For the filling, we combine stretchy mozzarella with salty feta. This blend creates the rich, creamy hearts. The dough is shaped into its signature boat. The edges hold the cheese inside, creating the perfect. Baked until golden, the bread becomes crisp while the cheese melts into a bubbling, irresistible filling. Fresh from the oven, we add an egg yolk and butter. The heat gently cooks the egg while the butter melts into the cheese. Traditionally, the egg, butter, and cheese are mixed together. Then torn pieces of bread are dipped into the creamy center. Khachapuri Adjaruli is more than food's sake. It's comfort, tradition, and flavor in every bite.